Look, let's talk about how to supersize your business by being the be all and end all for your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with Supersize Your Business, and we are talking about ending idioms as we end 2021. And today, be all and end all is our idiom. It's related to I think it's more of a headline, but the blank to end all blanks. You know, the storm to end all storms, the mousetrap to end the need for any other mousetrap. It's more of a headline to me, but it's related to the be all and end all, which is an idiom or expression that William Shakespeare actually used in Macbeth. It's been around, like many of the idioms we discuss, for hundreds of years. Some have been around for thousands. Anything that's been around for hundreds of years or thousands of years, I contend, has had an impact on me, even if it's an indirect impact, or it's influenced or impacted someone else that I'm coming in contact with, probably on a regular basis. So what the heck does be all and end all mean? It means, of course, something that's the perfect version, the perfect specimen of a person or a thing, the best person or thing. And here's the cool part about being the be all and end all. You get to decide and choose what you're going to be the be all and end all of. Is it going to be the best in your community? Is it going to be the best in a geographic area? Is it going to be the best in the world? Is it going to be the greatest of all time, the GOAT of your industry? Is it going to be to a group of customers and people that you serve? Because that's the cool thing about being the greatest of all time or the be all and end all. You don't have to be the be all and end all for the universe. You can pick and choose who your customers are, who you're going to serve, and just be the be all and end all for them. So how do you do that? How do you go about doing that? Well, I say we ask ourselves a couple of questions, and then we of course implement the solutions and the answers to those questions in order to be the be all and end all for our customers. So what is the first question we want to ask ourselves? Well, what do you want to be known for? What do you or your business want to be known for, the be all and end all of? Because you don't want to be a jack of all trades. You don't want to be good at all kinds of things and not great at anything. Think of at least one thing that you are awesome at that you can use to attract your ideal customer to you. Then you have to ask yourself, how is my business the best possible solution for the customers I'm serving? And if it's not, we've all got some work to do, right? We need to be the best solution for the people that we choose to serve, or the best solution to a specific problem for the group of people that we serve. Or why should they do business with us? Why should they come to us? We're not serving them at the highest, best possible level. So chances of supersizing our business, because we're actually doing that, is slim to none. So if we ask ourselves that question, and we find out, oh, we aren't the best possible solution. And best is, again, defined by you. Best might be the cheapest. Best might be the diamond customer service, best possible quality and customer service experience, whatever and however you choose to define it. But we should continually be asking ourselves, no matter how good, and even if we are the by far number one best person in our industry, we should always be asking ourselves, how can we serve our customers better? How can we find better solutions? How can we continually improve and grow and be a better version of our business, of ourselves, in order to continually serve the people that we serve better? And then we might have to ask ourselves, well, hey, we don't think there's anything else we can do. Well, there's always more we can do. So ask yourself a better question, such as, what else is possible? Or what else could be possible? What else could we do? What other services or products or companies or organizations or leaders could we team up with in order to create more solutions for the people that we're already serving? So those are just some questions that popped into my head as I was thinking of the something to end all somethings. I've never used that headline. Don't know that I ever will. But I have said the be all and end all about certain things. You know, some people think they are the be all and end all. I remember the expression my mom used to say when we were kids was, they're the bee's knees. They think they're the best in the world. And of course, in their own mind, they should be and they are. But for the rest of us, they're just another person, right? Or it's just another thing. It's just another company. It's just another magnifying glass, right? This is the be all and end all of all magnifying glasses. No, it's not. It gets smudgy and dirty. I always have to be cleaning it. The lights burn out. They don't always work. The buttons break off. I've got several of these with the buttons broken off. I actually have, at any given time, oh my gosh, at least 6 to 8 magnifying glasses around me. I've got a couple behind me because they don't always work, and I always need a tool to help me see better. So what is the be all and end all for magnifying glasses? If you know, hit me up and send me one. I'm always looking for new ones, obviously. Love to know your experience with this particular idiom or expression. Have you used the be all and end all? Is your company the be all and end all solution for your customers? And again, remember, it's not as hard as it sounds. So it doesn't have to be for your whole industry. It doesn't have to be for the world. It just has to be for the people that you choose to serve. And that's the best part. We get to decide who we want to serve and who we want to work with. All right, that's it for today. Our almost last ending idiom for the month. We'll do one more tomorrow, and then we'll switch to something else in January and a brand new year, 2022. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, any questions about idioms you'd like to know where they came from, what they mean, how we might tie them to our business, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow.